In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in HubSpot CRM. Duplicate contacts clutter your database, skew reports, and can lead to confusing outreach. I'll walk you through the built-in tool that helps you find and merge duplicates quickly and safely, with a few tips to keep your data clean as you go. First, head to the HubSpot login page and sign in to your account. On the login screen, choose Sign in with Google to authenticate using your Google credentials. When the Google account chooser appears, click the correct account associated with your HubSpot workspace and complete any prompts you see. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot portal. From the main navigation, open the CRM area. This is where your core records live. Next, go into Contacts to see your full contact list. You should be looking at the Standard Contacts table view. If you manage multiple views, make sure you're on the one that includes the contacts you want to audit. In the Contacts table, look for the Actions menu represented by the three dots near the top of the page. Click that, and then select Manage Duplicates. This opens HubSpot's Duplicate Management panel. Here, HubSpot uses AI to surface likely duplicate contacts so you can review and merge them. Keep in mind this feature is available on paid subscriptions, and you'll need the right permissions to use it. If you don't see the option, check your user access or your plan level. Inside Manage Duplicates, you'll see suggested pairs of contacts with side-by-side details. Open a pair to compare key properties like email, first and last name, phone number, and any other fields that matter to your workflow. Before merging, decide which record should be primary. The primary record keeps its unique ID and typically retains values when there are conflicts, so choose the record with the most complete and up-to-date information. As you merge, take a moment to verify important properties such as lifecycle stage, owner, subscription status, and recent activity. If you're planning a large cleanup, consider exporting your contacts first so you have a backup. Work in manageable batches and refresh the duplicate list periodically to see updated suggestions after each merge. When you're satisfied, confirm the merge. HubSpot will combine the records and consolidate their timelines so you won't lose notes, emails, or call logs attached to either contact. Repeat this review and merge process for each suggested pair until your duplicate list is clear. That's it, clean, accurate contact data with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy a tidier HubSpot CRM.